Welcome to Deep Space Explained, the channel where we journey across the cosmos from our planetary backyard to the most distant edges of the universe. Here, we unravel the mysteries of space, time, and everything in between, with science, storytelling, and a touch of cosmic wonder. What if humanity's next home isn't Earth, but Mars? For decades, Mars has inspired scientists, visionaries, and dreamers. Today, we'll explore the real roadmap to colonizing the Red Planet. From the first robotic missions to the bold plans of SpaceX and NASA, to the challenges of survival, terraforming, and building entire societies. By the end, we'll ask the question everyone wants answered. When will we truly colonize Mars? Why Mars? Among all the worlds in our solar system, Mars is the most realistic candidate for human colonization. Venus is too hot and hostile. The Moon is close but far too small and airless. Mars, however, is different. It has days only slightly longer than Earth's, seasons, polar ice caps, and vast amounts of frozen water beneath its surface. Mars is not a second Earth, but it's the closest thing we have. Before humans, robots must lead the way. Over the past half-century, missions like Viking, Curiosity, Perseverance, and China's Zhurong rover have revealed Mars in astonishing detail. They have found ancient riverbeds, evidence of flowing water, and frozen resources hidden beneath the surface. These robotic scouts are not just scientific missions, they are the pioneers preparing the way for us. But how will we actually get there? NASA's Artemis program is preparing astronauts to live on the Moon first, as a stepping stone to Mars. Meanwhile, SpaceX is developing Starship, the largest rocket ever built. Its vision is simple but daring. Launch fleets of starships carrying supplies, habitats, and eventually humans. The first missions will not be colonies. They will be outposts, test runs to learn how humans can survive on an alien world. Survival on Mars will be humanity's greatest challenge. The planet is deadly. Extreme cold, low gravity, toxic soil, and radiation levels far higher than on Earth. To survive, we must bring technology, shielded habitats to block radiation. Machines like Moxie, already tested by NASA, which turn Martian air into oxygen. Greenhouses capable of growing food under artificial lights. Every breath, every drop of water, every bite of food will have to be engineered. Once survival is possible, the first colony begins. Imagine domes made of Martian glass, protecting small cities beneath. 3D printers using Martian soil to build homes and laboratories. Nuclear reactors and solar panels powering entire settlements. Over time, tunnels and underground habitats may provide the safest refuge from radiation and dust storms. A Martian colony will not be a copy of Earth. It will be a new way of life. But is it possible to make Mars more Earth-like? Some dream of terraforming, releasing carbon dioxide from the poles to thicken the atmosphere, warming the planet with giant mirrors in orbit. Even detonating nuclear devices over the poles, a controversial idea proposed by Elon Musk. Yet science warns us, Mars may not have enough resources for full terraforming. The dream may remain science fiction. Instead, humanity may live in vast domes and underground cities, breathing artificial air. Technology is only half the battle. Humans must also adapt mentally and socially. Life on Mars will mean isolation, confinement, and distance. Communication with Earth takes up to 20 minutes. Emergencies must be solved without immediate help. Colonists will face not just physical survival, but psychological survival. They will need strong communities, new systems of government, and perhaps even entirely new cultures. Colonizing Mars will not be the work of one nation or one company. NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, SpaceX, and China's CNSA are all preparing missions. Some see it as competition, like the space race of the Cold War. Others imagine international cooperation, with astronauts from many nations building the first city on Mars. Perhaps Mars will teach us that humanity's future cannot belong to one flag, but to the entire species. So, when will it truly happen? NASA's timeline suggests human missions could reach Mars in the 2030s or 2040s. SpaceX's Elon Musk predicts much earlier, though his estimates are often optimistic. Scientists agree. Small colonies may exist by 2050. Larger, stable settlements may come between 2070 and 2100. If progress continues, within this century, humanity could have its first permanent presence on another planet. But beyond technology and timelines lies a deeper question. Why go at all? Colonizing Mars is not just about exploration. It is about survival. Earth faces threats: climate change, asteroids, nuclear war. To survive long-term, humanity must become a multi-planetary species. Mars is our first step toward becoming a cosmic civilization. It is not only science, it is destiny. Mars will not be easy. It will take decades of sacrifice, innovation, and courage. But if humanity succeeds, we will forever change our place in the universe. One day, children may look up at the night sky from the Martian surface and see Earth as a tiny star, knowing that home is now two worlds. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to Deep Space Explained. Explore our other videos on black holes, time travel, and the end of the universe. The cosmos is waiting, and together, we will explore it.